Hi, today we're going to show you how to deadhead Dianthus. So Dianthus can be perennials or they can be annuals. These are scented, flower year after year. This is scent first raspberry. And we've also got this one next door, which is first tickled pink. So I got these £1.50 instead of £7 from the store. So we're going to deadhead these and see if we can get a second flush from them. So most Dianthus in the UK are known as garden pinks, not because of their colour, but because of their serrated edges, as if it's been trimmed by shears. So many pinks and other Dianthus can be coaxed into a second flush of flowers by deadheading. So we want to wait for the flowers to die down. So we need to inspect them. Let's remove this label and we can see what we're doing. Right, so we've got our flower. We take this one and we've got 4 buds coming out of this one thing. So we're going to go down to the first set of leaves and we got our snips, and these are long snips, these are really handy, and we're just going to snip. There we go. And we're going to remove the spent flowers. These can go into the compost bin, and we're going to go round. If we look at this one, it's got some dead flowers. We go down to the stem and snip. This one's got a bud, and that one hasn't got a bud, so we cut that one. There's a bud on this one, so we're going to leave this one, as we're still going to get some more flowers here. I'm just going to go around now, remove that one, down, it's got a bud on that one, those have got buds, so we're going to leave that. This one, we're going to go down to the next set of leaves, snip. This one's got some buds on here, so I'm just going to cut. I'm going to just cut off the flower on this one. We can leave the buds to grow on. There we go, leave that one. This one, it's got buds. Removing all the debris. We'll leave that flower on there. There's a bud on that one, and this flower here, just remove that. Move the stem here, there's a bud on that one. So it's just a case of going through, checking all, and then it will send out a new flush of flowers. There we go. Just going to remove that one. There we go. So that's all nicely deadheaded. Now we can expect a nice display. It's all tidy, and some more flowers to come. We'll do the same with this one. And during the winter, when it comes to pruning, we can reduce it by quite a bit. We take a handful and we can just top the top, grab a hand, just cut straight through, leaving a bit of foliage on the bottom, and that regrow in the summer of the next year. Just grab it up, cut it all off, and there we go. And that's how we deadhead our Dianthus. So let me know in the comments, have you grown any Dianthus? And what do you prefer to do your deadheading with? Snips or pair of scissors? Let me know in the comments. So there we go. 2 flowers, £1.50 each, instead of the retail price, £7 each. And that's going to grow on nicely now.